What's the meaning of cowardly? Cowardly. Cowardly.
Cowardly. Cowardly. Cowardly is an adjective used to describe someone who lacks courage or bravery, and is often characterized by a tendency to avoid difficult or dangerous situations. A cowardly person may be afraid to speak up for themselves or others, and may resort to lying or cheating in order to avoid facing their fears. They may also be quick to give up in the face of adversity, and may be perceived as weak or lacking in resolve. Being cowardly is generally considered to be a negative trait, as it can lead to missed opportunities and a diminished sense of self-respect.